How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our Apex Siren and how you connect lights to your A, B, C, D, E, and F switches here. So to go over a brief overview of the wiring here, you'll have your cable harness here that will plug in with your main power and ground, with your speaker cables, and then your radio rebroadcast cable. And then here is your Ethernet port, which will connect your amp to your faceplate. And then here you have your ports for your aux switches. So this is where I have my A, B, C, D, E, and F switches hooked up here, and those will be off the positive polarity. And then here you have two power cables which will run to your battery as well, and those power cables give power to your A through F switches. So on switch A, I went ahead and hooked up power mode 1 of my Raptor X visor bar here. So you'll see I have a simple half-half flash pattern programmed. And then I went ahead and hooked up power mode 2, which will be a second flash pattern memory. I connected that to the B switch here. So you'll see the light bar will activate one of our new combo style flash patterns there. And then on switch C here, I went ahead and hooked up power mode 1 of my multicolor Z12 surface mounts here, and these are a red, blue, clear color combination. So you'll notice your light is flashing between red, blue, and clear. And then on D here, I connected my power mode 2 of my multicolor Z12 surface mounts. So I have two flash pattern memories in my surface mounts and my visor bar. So if I want to run both, I can simply activate one of my switches here for my Raptor, and then one of my switches for my surface mounts there. Or if I want to activate the other flash patterns, I'll go ahead and activate the B and D switches here. So I can easily activate two separate flash patterns using my dual memory there. And with our multicolor series, you can run your primary and secondary colors independently. So for example, if you needed to run red-blue for one application and amber for another application, our multicolor linear in red, blue, amber color setups would be perfect for you. And then on the E switch here, I hooked the green cable of my multicolor Z12 surface mounts here, which will be a steady burn override. So on the E cable, my units will go to steady burn clear, since clear is the secondary color in these multicolor surface mounts. So there I can easily activate power mode 1 or flash pattern 1, and then flash pattern 2, and then also I can go to super takedown if I would like to. And that's a perfect application with our multicolor Z surface mounts. Now another really cool feature with our Apex and Vireo sirens is you can interchange your faceplate if you would like to. So here I have my Apex hooked up, so I'll go ahead and disconnect the Ethernet cable here. And say I wanted to switch to a more handheld style siren, I can simply take my Vireo faceplate, which we have available in our replacement parts, and then I can plug that in here via the Ethernet port. And then you'll see here I have my power button, and then my switches will activate the same. So A will activate power mode 1 of my Raptor, B, the secondary flash pattern, C, power mode 1 of my Z surface mounts, and then power mode 2 on my Z surface mounts, and then E there for that steady burn override feature. So that gives you a brief overview of how you can use our Apex and Vireo sirens to control your siren and your lights. So make sure to check out the product page for the full product demo, and also use our interactive players to fully demo your siren before you buy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.